Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shipping address on your PandaBuy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to add a delivery or shipping address, click on your account icon at the top right and then click on User Center. From the User Center page, click on Account from the left menu and you will see the shipping address option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can click on Add Shipping Address. In order to add your shipping address, type in the first and the last name followed by your region, the state as well as city, and enter your detailed address. Finally, enter your zip code and your phone number, and you can also label your address if you wish to do so. If you wish to set this as your default address, you can click on the default address box to enable it. And finally, once you click on confirm, your address will be added onto your account right away. You can change this at any time if you wish, at a later date. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a delivery or shipping address on your PandaBuy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.